this meeting. And in all, inshallah, slowly, this is for science teachers. Another one is not an end in itself. Excellence is not an end, it is a journey. It is a journey. So it's not that we have reached pinnacles of success, pinnacles of excellence, nothing like that. Because as days progress, technologies evolve, so many new things happen. We need to shape ourselves and cope up with all the latest development which is happening around the world. So you don't think that the school excellence project has a defined goal and it will end within 1 year, 2 year. No, it is a continuous process, inshallah. May Allah accept our efforts. And from this meeting onwards, we have made a structure for this meeting. Alhamdulillah. Every coordinators meeting or any subsequent meetings will start with Qiraat, then we'll have the meeting objectives discussed, then there'll be a technical session 1 and technical session 2. The duration will be 10 to 12 minutes. So maximum we'll have 10 minutes because in 20 minutes we'll finish 2 topics. Okay. Then we'll have reflection sessions that will be well organized and properly done by people those who have been designated for this task. So inshallah, these 3 sessions will be there. Later, we will discuss about the assignments and attendance. So this is what is in store for you. And I wish Miss Alia Khan, is it? Miss Alia Khan, kindly take care of the timing in the technical session 1 and 2 also. Now, may I request the first person, the technical session 1, the topic given is creativity and problem solving. Actually, this will be delivered by Rizwan Siddiqui sir from Divine School. And he has attended recently a training program. He attended around 16 sessions. So we are just giving him 10 minutes. So approximately for another 16 weeks, he will be speaking about all those topics one by one, and he will be sharing the experiences what he had, the summary of it in 10 minutes. Over to you, Rizwan bhai.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Am I audible, sir?
You're audible, mashallah.
Sir, please allow me to share the screen.
Yeah. You can do that.
The screen is visible, sir?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Rizwan Ahmed Siddiqui from Divine English Medium School, Gulbarga, going to give a presentation on creativity and problem solving. Creativity and problem solving. Actually, it's a repeated version of the program I attended. So let's start with a rise of one question in our heart. What is creativity? What is creativity? Creative skills are very particularly important because they help us to solve problems. Creativity is very important because it helps us to solve the problems in a very unique way. Find new ways to do things. Do something nobody else can copy. Do something nobody else can copy. So creativity is nothing but to find new ways to do the same thing. Just imagine for a while this afternoon, there is a meeting going on in Apple Mobile Company. What they are discussing? They are discussing that already we have in process to launch Apple 13. What we are come up with Apple 14, that nobody can think of it at least for 10 years. tell us what new features and model we use that nobody else can copy. There is a discussion going on in between them. कुछ ऐसा जो लोगों को पागल कर दे खरीदने के लिए. There must be some creativity, some innovation. कुछ ऐसा करो कि nobody else can copy. Come on, bring some uniqueness, bring some creativity. और वो सारे इंजीनियर्स, सारे टेक्नीशियंस काम पे लग जाएंगे ऐसा फोन बनाने जिसके बारे में हर कोई तमन्ना करेगा काश वो मेरे पास होता, वो मेरे जेब में होता. That is what education aim is supposed to be. Challenge the status quo and ultimately move the human race forward. अच्छा, मान लीजिए हमारे मोबाइल कंपनी ने एक ऐसा फोन बनाया जिसकी दूसरी कंपनीज के जैसा ही है, वो सेम एज अदर कंपनीज व्हाट दे हैव मेड द मोबाइल फोन. इसका मतलब लोगों के पास ऐसा कोई वजह नहीं होगा कि वो हमारा फोन ही परचेस करेंगे. ऐसे ही if our school is not giving unique type of education, if our school is not giving unique type of education, if we are not using any new ideas in teaching students, then why parents will select our schools for their children education? Here, giving same old features is called status quo. Giving same old features is called status quo. There is nothing unique, creative or innovative in this. अब आप भी वही कर रहे हैं जो दूसरे भी कर रहे हैं. What we have to do is to challenge the status quo. We have to challenge the status quo. We all know about Nokia company. We all know about Nokia company. Now, nobody want to buy their phone. The reason is simple. Number one, they failure in adoption of new technology. Second, lack of creativity. So nowadays we are listening from everywhere that there are lack of jobs. There are lack of jobs, but there will be job for creative peoples every time and everywhere. 100% job will be there who bring uniqueness and innovation in their work, because creativity is a forever skill. Creativity, therefore, is a key area of forever skills, and it's one we all need to develop. Creativity is a forever skill. Creativity is a forever skill required by the world in every ages. If you are different type of teacher using some innovatory methods, if you are different type of students using creativity in studies, then listen carefully. The world needs you. You can't use up creativity. The more you use, the more you have. The more you use, the more you have. That means the more you use, the more you will have the creativity. आप जितना use करेंगे उतना ही बढ़ता जाएगा. Now, it's wrong to say that it was an act of genius, a flash of inspiration, a moment when the idea just came to me. No, it's wrong. Creativity ऐसे नहीं आती. It's a misguided notion that creativity is a mysterious force or something that happens randomly or as a result of luck. No, it's also wrong that you know that creativity will become when you are solving problems subconsciously for a very long time. Creativity will come when you are solving problems subconsciously for a long time. बहुत दिनों तक हम एक ही चीज के बारे में सोच रहे हैं, तब जाके जितने भी मैक्सिमम जितने भी स्कॉलर्स हुए हैं या फिर सोशल रिफॉर्मर्स हुए हैं, वो उस प्रॉब्लम के बारे में कई दिनों तक सोचते रहे. Then they got the solution. That is the creativity. An essential aspect of creativity is not being afraid to fail. When you start drawing something, that is the time of creativity comes out. Okay, let us assume, हम मान लेते हैं थोड़ी देर के लिए, let us assume that we have a company of tiles. हमारे पास we have a company of tiles, हम flooring tiles बनाते हैं, and we want to design such a tiles that it makes our company on top. What we can do new to flooring? हम flooring को ऐसा क्या नया दे सकते हैं? We want to make such a tile that is different from other tiles. How and what we are going to make? Now see here how the company has designed the tiles here. ये जो है ये प्रोजेक्टर्स और सेंसर्स की हेल्प से देयर इज a creation of 3-dimensional magic type feeling. You can see how the leaves are moving away while walking. This is creativity. This is creativity. This is creativity. You can see here the leaves are moving here and there. It's just an example. We can make far more better than this. Can we use these types of principle in studies? The answer is yes. We can use creativity, uniqueness in all aspects of life. Now, let us come to another one. Yeah. How do corals build reefs? So,
let's look inside.
So here, these are the corals. ये जिंदा होते हैं. They take carbon from the seawater. See, they take the carbon from the seawater and they combine it with calcium. After that, they secrete calcium carbonate in the surrounding, and thus there is a formation of limestone. They take carbon and calcium from ocean water and form calcium carbonate. It is said by someone that it may be possible that these corals help somehow to decrease the increasing percentage of carbon in our environment. Now see, so these are the corals. In the same way, our brain has neurons. Our brain has neurons. They take information from various sources by listening, by seeing, by observing, and they secrete new ideas. Just as the corals, they are secreting calcium carbonate to the environment. We have neurons, and by listening, by seeing, and by observing, we can secrete new ideas. And the continuous accumulation of these coral leaves, as you can see, they result the formation of Lakshadweep Island. Similarly, one day will come after continuous gathering of information and continuous working on creativity results a formation which whole world will acknowledge and appreciate. As you can see, Lakshadweep is a home for many living creatures, many living things. Similarly, our creativity, inshallah, will help the humanity if done with positive attitude and ikhlas. So the genius, they don't only study, they think over their syllabus. The genius, they don't think only, the genius, they don't only study, they think over their syllabus. That's why we should allow students to think after taking the class, because when we keep thinking slowly and slowly, these corals accumulate over each other. The ideas which were in our mind combined with another ideas until the ideas will become so massive that they come out of water as Lakshadweep Island. Creativity is not a mysterious force which will come out of a sudden, but we had to keep thinking. We had to keep thinking about our syllabus, and once we made something new, creativity will become a natural extension of our enthusiasm. And once we made something new, creativity will become a natural extension of your enthusiasm. Jazakallah khair.
Jazakallah khair, brother. That was wonderful. So you are focusing on the creativity and the various aspects. Inshallah, that will be now subsequent programs. Once you address, we'll get to know more about it, and we'll try to implement more of the such activities which will increase the creativity of our students. That is possible only with the availability of creative teachers, inshallah. we'll address all these issues, inshallah. Jazakumullah khair. May I request the second speaker, Dr.